Introducing to the Australian Muscle Cars showroom is this 1990 VN with the SV Enhancement package. Featuring its original paint in Marinello red, this vehicle with the SV140 package comes with front spoiler, side skirts, rear spoiler and exhaust diffuser, 16x7 HSV style wheels. It has been optioned with the factory leather grey trim and SV badging and decals. The VN is running its original engine, which is a 5-litre fuel-injected V8. Part of the SV Enhancement package, you have a SV high flow air cleaner, ECU recalibration, exhaust upgrade and an auto transmission recalibration, and SV modified suspension. Factory spec with the plush luxury interior. Option, however, is the grey leather trim. The SV Enhancement package comes with the decal on the dash and the Sports Momo steering wheel. Untampered within the boot, still retains its original logbooks, HSV certification and original spare wheel and jack. Come down to the Australian Muscle Cars showroom and check it out.